Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Vegetarian tamales. Yes, starting with the masa and ending with the filling. You're going to love these amazing and healthy tamales. So let's get started. Your vegetarian tamales, these are the ingredients. For the masa, maseca, vegetable broth, baking powder, unsalted butter, corn husks. For the filling, we're gonna use onion, tomato, zucchini, chile poblanos, peppers, and garlic cloves. This is everything you need to prepare an amazing and delicious fluffy vegetarian tamales. So let's get started. I want to show you step by step how to make these amazing vegetarian tamales. We're going to start with the corn husks, getting them nice and hydrated. We're going to continue with 4 cups of maseca, 3 tablespoons of baking powder. We're going to incorporate really good. And now we're adding 2 cups of unsalted butter. And now I am adding vegetable broth, about 5 to 6 cups. Mix it for about 10 minutes. And when it's nice and fluffy, you're ready to pour it on a plate and start getting your filling ready. Look how creamy, look how fluffy this masa is. This is the perfect masa for your vegetarian tamales. Nice and creamy and nice and fluffy. And now I am ready to prepare the filling for this amazing masa. I am roasting poblano peppers, putting them in a bag, getting them nice and moist. And now I'm going to continue with my zucchini. I am going to slice, cut in half, and then slice. This is going to be the filling. I'm adding the onion. I'm going to slice the onion. I am going to add the onion into my filling. Let me tell you, this is a very healthy and delicious tamal. My tomato in slices, my 4 garlic cloves nice and diced. Of course, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Put it in a pan and start cooking the garlic and the butter. We're going to cook it for a couple minutes. When it starts releasing the aroma, we're going to turn it off. And now I am ready to start taking the skin off of the roasted poblano peppers. Let me tell you, once you make these amazing vegetarian tamales, you're really going to love it. They're healthy, they're delicious, and of course, if you love your tamales but you're a vegetarian, this is the perfect recipe for you. Look at this. And now I am ready to just continue with the rest of the poblano peppers. Once I have removed the skin, remove the seeds, I am ready to just slice away, adding the onion, adding the tomato, and of course, I am going to add a little bit of salt. Salt is to taste. Once you add the salt, incorporate everything really good. Start adding your garlic and that butter. Mix it one more time. Look at this. Mix it one more time. And at the end, we're going to add the zucchinis. And we're going to mix one more time. Let me tell you, this filling comes out so delicious. Now that the filling is ready, I'm getting my corn husks. The side that is nice and smooth, I am going to add the masa. I'm going to start adding all these amazing ingredients. And I'm going to start folding just like that. Remember, make your tamales at home. You know what your family really loves. And if you decide to make this amazing vegetarian tamal, you're going to fall in love with it. Look at this. I'm going to continue making the rest. Just like that, you decide how thick or how thin you want your tamales. Once you make all your tamales, you're ready to you could cook them just like that, or you could wrap them in this paper. I am going to wrap them all, and I don't think I have enough of the wrapping paper. I am going to get foil paper and continue wrapping on my vegetarian tamales. Don't worry, you could use foil paper if you're out, or if you don't have the regular paper for the tamales. And now, of course, you have your steamer with water. You put the little sheet on the bottom and start adding all your amazing tamales in here. Once this is done, get a kitchen towel, wet it, put it on the top, put a plastic bag, and then cook them for 60 minutes, just like that. And when they come out, oh my gosh, your home is going to smell amazing. All your neighbors are going to know that you are cooking tamales. Look at this. Let me show you how they look from the inside. They're still nice and hot. And if you decide you don't want to cook all your tamales the same day, you could freeze them raw. Freeze them raw. Not cook. Freeze them raw. So when you take them out of the freezer and you decide you want to enjoy 1 or 2 or 3 tamales, you put them in your steamer and you're ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this tamal, like, subscribe, and share. This is a new option, a vegetarian tamal. I am ready to enjoy. Let me show you the texture. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. Look how fluffy, how delicious, and the filling just perfect. I can't wait to enjoy this amazing vegetarian tamal. Amazing. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing vegetarian tamal. Look at this. Nice and fluffy, of course, warm and delicious. But this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious and so moist. And the chile poblano really gave it an amazing flavor. I love it. The masa is so fluffy and delicious. Let me tell you, these tamales are perfect for the holidays. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing vegetarian tamales. Perfect for the holidays. See you soon. Bye-bye.